Hey everybody, just want to welcome you to week 2, the second module for ME83, Computational Mechanical Engineering Lab. So I want to make this video to take some time to go through the Blackboard site with you. So just a reminder, this is a fully online 1 credit hour course. There are no associated lectures. It's up to you to take the responsibility to go through and read through all the material presented and complete the assignments through Blackboard. So if you have any questions, you can send me an email or a chat on Teams as you're going through this. But right now I'm going to take the time to go through and show you where everything is located in Blackboard for you to do this. So if we head over here and open up the Blackboard for this course, I'm going to put this in student preview mode so I can look at it the same way that you guys will see it as well. So if we start here at home, the home section is where you're going to get all of your weekly announcements. So if we scroll down through here, we can see all the way back. Now we have the assignment dates for the whole semester. So these are when all your assignments due. It's listed in multiple places on the Blackboard so you guys are clearly understand when each of these assignments are due. So it's listed here as an announcement. You should have received this as an email as well. Then the next announcement that I posted here was the welcome email and announcement here. Talks about the lectures, office hours, assignments, the textbook, time management, what software is required, and how to install Virtual Voti, and our final project here as well. And within this, there's a link to the Getting Started section. The Getting Started section is also up here, right there. So again, multiple locations, multiple spots. Our next announcement talked about the survey for you guys right here. Then we did a check-in with the survey again as well. And then you guys should have got this morning another announcement to welcome you to week 2. So this is your announcement section under the home section on Blackboard. All the weekly updates, any new information, answering questions students may have, things like that for the whole class. These will all be posted to your announcements. I would encourage you on a regular basis, log in, check your announcements. So the next thing I had was the Getting Started section here. Under the Getting Started section, I gave you some more information about this class, how many modules there will be, when it runs from, all that information there, and talked about Blackboard and how it was organized. Down there, I go through a whole section, a video that I've posted here for planning for time management for your online classes. So if you haven't read this yet, please go through, read this, and watch the video as well. Then again, I have this same welcome introduction that you saw on the announcements over here on the Getting Started. Like I said, I like to put these in multiple places so you guys can find them quickly and easily. And there's also a whole video going over the welcome as well, talking about the course and how it's organized. So that's the Getting Started section. The next we get down into the syllabus here. So you have your syllabus as a PDF. So you guys can access that and go through that as well. You click on this, it opens up in a separate window. We can go through the PDF, the class times. Again, this is online. This is a fully online class with no lectures. It's a 1 credit hour class. You guys are responsible to log into Blackboard and complete the assignments and submit them. Goes through, talks about all the class policies and the university statements. So then the next section is our schedule. So again, like I said, I've listed in multiple places when your homeworks are assigned and when they're due. So these are the 10 different modules throughout the semester here. Here's the dates of the modules. Here's your assignments. Here's the due date. The assignments due dates are over here on the right as well. So everything's laid out clearly for you. There's also a PDF of this as well. So you guys can see all of your due dates for these assignments in multiple locations. The last section is the bulk of this Blackboard course. This is the course materials here. So every module for each of these 10 modules will be released on Blackboard. So you saw last week from 2.1 to 2.7, you had the introduction. This is module 1, introduction and a reading assignment. So if you clicked on this, again, gave this to you in yet another location talking about the course here, a video welcome you to ME83, all the details of the course. Again, another link to the time planning and time management video. And this is what you'll typically see in all these modules is an overview. So I talk about what we're going to do in this module, all the topics that are being covered, the objectives. Down here you have your reading assignment. There's a link here, and there's another link here for your reading assignment. Right here opens as a PDF. So no, you don't need a textbook. All these PDFs will be supplied for you for any type of reading materials you may have. So then this is week 2. We'll go back here, module 2 right here. We check this out here. Here's your overview of what's happening in week 2. Here's your assignments down here located here. As you can see, here's your reading assignment as a PDF. And here is your actual first assignment. And the due date, if you click on the assignment, is also located here on the assignment. So you can submit through the site and you know exactly when it's due. So this is just a quick overview. Again, a couple of you had questions on how to use Blackboard for this course. This class is 100% on Blackboard. Again, no live lectures, no pre-recorded lectures. This is a fully online class on Blackboard. If you have any more questions related to this, please shoot me an email or a chat in Teams. Thanks.